What's going on, guys? John and Jeff here with BestPriceNutrition.com. Be sure to check out our website at BestPriceNutrition.com. Follow us here on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, Instagram, TikTok, all that. We just did a giveaway a couple days ago. We always got new giveaways coming on social, let you guys know about new products and show you guys exclusive deals you can only find here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Jeff's recovery stack. Jeff wound up getting a shoulder injury during a bar fight and has been recovering the past couple weeks and has some supplements that have kind of sped along the recovery a bit. I think you said your physical therapist said you're recovering a lot faster than he expected.
Yeah, so I haven't done any videos for quite some time. I suffered a AC joint separation in my shoulder. This one here, you may notice, droops down a little bit. So unfortunately,
is that title belt holder in jail from what he did to you?
I know. Yes. So I didn't get this from lifting or a bar fight. It was a competitive kickball tournament that I got it from. So you can make fun of me all you want, but took a spill, landed right on the tip of my shoulder, the joint that's right here. Tore it completely. I think there are a few more fibers left, to the point where I didn't need surgery. It was almost surgically needed, but the orthopedic doctor said, if you go through physical therapy, take some, supplements, watch your nutrition and all that, you should be able to heal up. So it's been about 7 weeks. They estimated that I wouldn't be able to lift for about 3 months. I've been able to lift for about 2 weeks now, I would say. So, the things that I'm still not 100% on shoulder presses, chest, those are probably two things I'm about 50% on.
Right.
But arms, back, especially legs, I've done more legs than I've ever had in my entire life. But those are completely back, so I'm almost there.
We've even seen you went from struggling to use your mouse on the computer to you were lifting back in Seattle a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, exactly. Do not separate your AC joint. It is terrible because you cannot do anything. I can finally do that. It's like, I love it. But for the people that are going through injuries, maybe not as severe as AC joint separation, or maybe even worse, I wanted to give you some products that I started taking immediately when this happened. Some of these were recommendations from the orthopedic doctor and the physical therapist. And then one was just one that I've taken before for recovery and rejuvenation, and I added it to the stack. So the first one, which we've all, some of us take here, is collagen.
Right.
Now I think a lot of people that think about collagen, they think hair, skin, nails.
Right.
Yes. So there's different types of collagen. And Ancient Nutrition's bone broth protein actually has the collagen type 2, and it's got a hefty dose of it. And the collagen type 2 is the one for joints and for ligament repair.
Like you said, some of the other collagens are more for the hair, skin, and nails, but yeah, this one's specifically for joints and connective tissues.
Exactly. So when you're looking for collagen and you have an injury, you want to look for collagen type 2. Some of them are blends, which is okay, but if it doesn't have the type 2, skip that collagen. This stuff actually doesn't taste that bad either. I was worried.
Yeah, Ancient Nutrition has a real loyal following,
Yes.
great products. So
I'm used to the tasty protein,
right.
But I wanted it to heal, so I started with that, and I took 1 scoop a day. The next one is Super Cissus. And have you ever taken this before?
I have not taken that one, but that one's a really popular one.
Yeah, exactly. So this is another one. In the past, I've taken it during the fall or winter when it gets cold and your joints start hurting. But this is a great product that helps promote not only ligament, cartilage repair, but bone and muscle repair as well. All things that I've had a problem with.
Right.
So this is a product I've been taking since the beginning as well. One of these bottles lasts, I think, around 30 days. So I'm about halfway through my first bottle. But USP Labs Super Cissus, it's the best dose I could find, and that's why I took that one. The last one, which is the more expensive one, was by High Tech Pharmaceuticals Pro-IGF 1. Now, have you taken this one before?
You know what? I have taken the remnants of a bottle that that I found in the office.
It's pretty pricey.
Yeah,
it is, but it's a great product.
Yep.
In the past, I've used it for like lean muscle when I didn't want to be on a pro hormone or anything like that. But there is a lot of research behind this product increases IGF-1 levels, And there's a lot of research behind it that it does help with cartilage repair, joint repair, and overall just improving injuries.
Now, you know, would protropin be something that someone could take as well for injuries? Or?
Yes, you can add protropin. Unfortunately, I have a budget, and taking all these does get expensive. So if you do have more, money left over, it's more serious, and you want to bust through this injury as quickly as possible, you could stack it with the protropin.
Okay.
But the Pro-IGF, I was taking in the mornings when I wasn't working out, and the days I was, which was mainly the legs for like a month.
You were loving those leg workouts.
It was, I do enjoy it more now, I can tell you that. But I took about 5 tablets of these right before my workout. So one bottle lasts you 50 days, so the price isn't too bad. Yeah,
it's a little bit pricier, but yeah, it's almost 2 months worth of supplies. So.
Exactly. So again, those are the 3 products I took to help me get back to repairing my injury. The other thing though was I went to physical therapy 2 to 3 days a week. So that had a drastic improvement on things as well. So again, I'm 6 to 7 weeks in. I'm hoping to be fully done in like a month or something.
That'd be good.
So I think Maddie over here has us playing volleyball, and I need to spike it. So, but yeah, so we're going to add probably a stack. So if people want to purchase
we'll put the stack together on the website.
Yeah. So we'll link to these 3 products that you can purchase together. Again, if you got an injury, this is something great to try, and hopefully it gets you back into the gym a lot quicker. So, but yeah, if you have any questions for me or John, or if you want to know anything else I took, or how to take these correctly, just post them in the comments below. And if you like these videos and you want to see more of John and I, just hit the little subscribe button and you'll get more of us. So, thanks guys.
Later guys.